Today we have an unboxing video of Ransom Notes by the Very Special Games Company. Hi, I'm Kevin Baker and you're watching Shangri-La, my YouTube channel for tabletop board games, birding, and other educational videos. Please like and subscribe. Now these games were donated by the Very Special Games Company, so thank you very much. They're donated to Flamingo Con. They're going to be given away in the Play to Win section at Flamingo Con, so that's where you come into the library and you check out the game, you play it, and then at the end of the day, if you're lucky to be one of the people that will be in the raffle to potentially take it home with you at the end of the day. So that'll be great. So thank you very much for the game donation. And let's check it out. Okay, so Ransom Notes. 3 to 6 players, ages 15 and up, 30 to 90 minutes. Okay, so meet Ransom Notes. It's a creative party game for making hilariously terrible sentences. As if people need more challenges to do that. Okay, players respond to outlandish situations like, tell me something you've clogged with their toilet at a party. With just their limited pool of word magnets, leaving even master wordsmiths no choice but to create awesomely horrendous phrases. With hundreds of word magnets included, every round is a fresh, wildly creative, tears streaming down your face funny. Okay, so included 255 hilarious prompt cards, 840 premium word magnets, 6 high-quality metal submission cards. Okay. Warning, it is a choking hazard. Keep it away from kids 3 and under. Okay. Let's see what we have in Ransom Notes. So, we have another very nice note from Evan and Josh. Hoping we enjoyed the game as much as they enjoyed making it. We have another very nice one-sheeter for instructions. We have a bag. We've got decks of cards. So that will be for the prompts. So, a ransom note. What's your plan for surviving the zombie apocalypse? My plan is to learn how to get really excellent at archery so that I have a useful skill to join in a cooperative community. I can hunt. And these are the magnets. So you can break these apart. And these would be fantastic on the refrigerator. If they weren't part of a game, you could make sentences to leave for other people to see. But they've got some punctuation and lots of words. So you take these and clearly you break them apart very carefully. And so then there's words you can use to make your sentences. And there are lots and lots of words on magnets. And here, they look like little sheets to bake your cookies in the oven. So, between and we need a snack and after and we'll make it a small snack, and we're going to pulverize the small snack. And that's what we'll do for our zombie apocalypse. We're going to pulverize the small snack. Not really a full sentence, but we'll work on it. We'll build from there. Okay, so this is going to be a fun game to try out at the next Flamingo Con on January 10th, 2026. That's Flamingo Con number 31 at the West Palm Beach Airport Hilton. Hope to see you all there in person. Be well.